I think you guys are also like this bag. It's really spacious. You can wear it like a pouch or you can wear it like a messenger bag. Hello everyone, welcome back to Koko Hedon channel. Today I'm going to unbox a new bag from Louis Vuitton. If this is your first time watching my channel, I will review a lot of bags, sneakers, and price list of branded stuffs. So if you have interested in that, you have to like and subscribe the channel. So let's check this one out. Look at this. An extra small Keepall bag from Louis Vuitton. This is really compact, this is really small, but the space inside this, I will tell you later. We will see in the detail of this video. I think you guys are also like this bag because it's really small, but no one can imagine it's really spacious. You can put 2 smartphones, power banks, your wallet or your card holder, and your DJI Osmo Pocket. Wow, this bag is really cool. You can wear it like a pouch or you can wear it like a messenger bag like this. So thank you for watching this far. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.